So you've joined Amazon's associate program, aka affiliate program. You're excited about it. You started promoting affiliate links and you got banned and you don't know why. One of the reasons why, and this is actually a quite common reason why, is that you may be sharing those links with people that you know, friends, family members. It's the way that you're sharing them as well. So I'll give you a quick example. Let's say that you've got an aunt, you've got an uncle, you've got a cousin. You say, hey, the next time you go shopping on Amazon, I'm going to send you my affiliate link so I can make a commission. Do you buy on Amazon? Yes. Okay, cool. So I'm going to be transparent about it. I am an affiliate. I will get credit for it. I'll make commission. And they say, okay, yeah, that sounds great. I'll do that for you. You don't want to do that. So friends, family, anything of that sort, do not try to share your special affiliate links with those people. Okay. With that being said, there are those that will share the links and PDFs, emails. Maybe they're going to text the link to someone. Okay, avoid all those things as well. Amazon has a lot of rules, a lot of regulations. You may have joined some other affiliate programs where you didn't have as many rules and things of that sort, but Amazon does. So if you do not follow suit with what they want, they will ban you from the program. So you don't want to get banned. You just want to follow suit with what they do, but just understand there are a lot of rules and regulations. So you may be saying to yourself, well, why wouldn't they want me to promote the link to friends, family members, PDFs, emails, text messages? That's, you know what, that's their platform. I can't tell you why. I can just tell you that they have a very hard set of rules. And if you don't follow them, you get banned. That's it. Simple as that. So the alternative, if you are promoting your affiliate links, if you're doing it in the form of, let's say, a website, maybe writing blogs, that's a great way to promote your affiliate links. Let's say you've got a YouTube channel and you're having people head to the description box where they can purchase the product. Well, the affiliate links that are located in the description box are okay to put in as that, affiliate links. Now, you will have to have a disclaimer and that letting people know and being transparent that you are an affiliate of Amazon, that you will get commission based on, sales. But make sure that when you are promoting those special links that you do it the right way. Let's even take it a step further. Let's say you're in the niche of health and wellness and your YouTube channel is a yoga channel. So maybe you're trying to sell yoga mats. Let's just say, for instance. What I would do is I would go to other yoga YouTube channels and find out what kind of mats are they promoting or selling, and ones that are doing very well. If there's not a lot of competition in that space, then I'll try to sell something similar. So what I'll do is I'll make, let's say, 5 YouTube videos based on, let's say, that yoga mat that we're talking about. If you've got a yoga channel, maybe you want to promote a yoga mat. 5 different YouTube videos based on that yoga mat, but make sure that you aren't duplicating the content. So each video should be a little bit different. So, one video might be the perfect yoga mat for doing exercises outside. And I'm just giving an example. The perfect yoga mat to take on the road or on vacation when you want to get in some yoga. Maybe one of the top yoga mats I recommend to my students, and then, add upon that. So each video should be different. It should not be the same. It should be a little bit different. And then having the option of that person watching the video to go to your description box to actually purchase that through your affiliate link. That's how you make sales. That's how you're going to actually do it. But don't be pushy with the links either. You definitely want to make sure that your sell is not a hard sell, and because people do not like being sold to. That's how you're essentially going to sell your affiliate products through, let's say, YouTube, or maybe you're on a Facebook group based on yoga and you share your website with those who are interested in what others are using for yoga mats. Maybe you've written a blog on it. Next thing you know it, you're saying, hey, here's a really cool yoga mat. You guys should check this out. They click on it. They're redirected now to your website where they can purchase it. Those are just a few things I'm telling you that you could do, but whatever you do, do not share your affiliate link in the form of a PDF, an email. I'm trying to think of other ways you might accidentally do it. And absolutely do not share with friends or family. Hopefully this video was helpful. If you're still watching the video and you're interested in being an Amazon influencer, head to the description box and I will give you sort of my 3-step blueprint of how to get to that point. Now, being an influencer and an Amazon associate or affiliate are 2 different things, and you'll find that out the more you learn about them. But hopefully this video helped you out. Again, you have the description box where you get your free copy of my 3-step blueprint. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next video.